Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's take a walk around this brand new 2022 Healy electric walkie rider pallet jack, model number CBD 35-520. Now this end rider unit has a base capacity of 7,000 pounds, and it has your standard pallet jack forks with 27 by 48 inch footprint. Each fork itself is 9 inches in width by 47 and a half inches in length. And I want to show you here that we have these quad tandem load wheels that are polyurethane. Now these have an overall lowered height of 3 inches and an overall raised height of, there we go, of 9 inches. Now I also want to show you this load backrest because with it fully lowered, the load backrest from the floor is 48 inches. The actual backrest itself is 44 and a half inches. So this is a great safety feature to have. Now coming up here to the power of the unit, it runs on a 24-volt lithium-ion battery, and the charger is included with this unit. Now let's come up here to the movement of the operation. So as I mentioned, this is an end rider unit. The operator can stand either on the right side or the left side, whichever is more comfortable for them based on their application, as well as whether they're right-handed or left-handed. And you have easy access when you're riding to these buttons right here, your up and your down, your horn, and rabbit mode. This rabbit mode gives you the opportunity to go faster when you're riding the unit. It's standard in turtle mode unless you press this rabbit mode. Now coming down here, you'll see that we have the emergency disconnect. We also have an LCD panel that shows us that we're in turtle mode. It also shows us how many hours are on the unit and the charge of our battery. And we have this easy on-off with your key. Now this does have a curve automatic deceleration function for safety. And another safety feature, in addition to that standard turtle mode, is the fact that when you push all the way down here on this handle, that is a brake for you. So it makes it really easy to stop the unit quickly, to always have control. Of course, it has power steering. We have the toggle switches here to move forwards and backwards. And we also have the horn. We have up and down on both sides again, so that your rider can use this with their right hand or their left hand. And we have that emergency belly stop as well. Now this unit is here, it is in stock, and it is ready for immediate delivery. So if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this unit, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.